Good morning, everybody. Happy New Year. Happy 2021. This is a new year, hopefully, a very good year. And there will be a vaccine for Corona, so everybody is going to be fit and fine and ready to go. So, today, my first recipe of this year is a very simple recipe. I am making besan with tomatoes. So let me tell you all the ingredients that we require and then we can begin with the method. So first of all I need 1 katori of fresh good besan, chane ka atta. I need 4 tomatoes. Then for the masalas I need salt, haldi, rai, dhania powder, garam masala, red chili powder, the Kashmiri one, and which is also called dege mirchi. Then I require a little bit of hing. I will need 2 onions finely chopped and lots of dhania patta, 2 to 3 green chilies, that is optional, it's up to you. If you like chilies you can add. Then spring onions for decoration, that is on top. I will sprinkle later on when the dish is done. And 1 to 2 small pieces of garlic. It is basically a Maharashtrian dish, so they usually don't use ginger and garlic, but because I am a Punjabi, I don't know why, I just love using onion, ginger, garlic. So let us begin with the procedure. Whenever we start with the cooking, first thing we do is we thoroughly wash all the vegetables and then we start chopping them as per the requirement of the dish. So now those 2 onions, I have chopped them fine. 4 tomatoes, I have chopped them little thick. Spring onions chopped fine, 3 green chilies chopped fine, coriander leaves chopped fine, and a few pieces of garlic I have chopped fine. And now I will be using all this to make the besan with tomatoes, tomato besan ki sabji. And first thing what we do is we take 2 teaspoons of oil, any good cooking oil that you use in the house, and I will roast this 1 katori besan in a pan until it browns and gives out good aroma, and then remove it and keep it aside. Take a pan, non-stick pan I have taken, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Besan usually takes up a lot of oil, but I am using 2 teaspoons of oil, and let it heat up and then add 1 katori of besan. Now keep on stirring it until you roast it, it turns brown and you get some nice aroma, and then keep it aside. You have to roast it on slow fire and take care that it does not burn. I am getting very good aroma and it is almost dry also. It has absorbed all the oil. See, it's done. So now I will remove this and keep it aside. And let us begin with the other ingredients. Now take a thick bottomed kadahi, put on the gas and add 1 tablespoon of oil. 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add garlic, the chopped garlic that I have kept, add that, and add the onions also. Do all this on slow fire because it will roast properly and not burn. You have to be there around the gas in the kitchen when you are making these things. Only then they turn out very good. For cooking you need a lot of love and patience. Only then you can cook very well, very tasty food for your family. Now roast this until it browns. While the onions and garlic are getting roasted, I will prepare the masalas, the spices that I have to add to the dish. So I will take 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of dhania, haldi, salt to taste, little bit of freshly ground garam masala, hing, red chili powder. Mine is the Kashmiri one that gives color, but it is not spicy. Mix all this up, and I will be adding this later on after I add the tomatoes. See, now this is lightly brown, so I am going to add the tomatoes. Giving a nice color, looking good. Now you can add the spices. Now add the dhania leaves and mix everything up thoroughly. The tomatoes are softening up. There's no need to soften them up much. They are nice as they are, crunchy, crispy. Now add the spring onions. Mix it well and add the besan. And the vegetable is done. Mix it thoroughly and serve. There you are, the tomato besan ki delicious sabji, which is very simple to make and extremely delicious. It is done. You can have it with jawar bajre ki roti, crispy roti. It tastes very good. They call it bhakri, no? I think so, yes. You can have it with that. It is really yummy. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and do make this dish and let me know how did you like it. It's a lovely different dish. You will really enjoy, and the tomatoes give it a nice taste and flavor. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself.